Now going back to my first eyeshadow that I used, the lighter color. Close your eyes for me. And using my big eyeshadow brush again, I'm just going to lightly dab over the second line, making sure that it all looks nicely blended. Now I'm going to use some eyeliner as well, just here on Holly, just on the lids to define her lashes more. Now I love using a grey colour eyeliner instead of brown for people that want to go more natural. I find that brown can, sometimes look a little orange, whereas a nice grey one will always stay the same colour. It won't change. So just really lightly on a slanted movement, I'm just going to go over where I had the eyeshadow. Open your eyes for me. And as you can see, that's already defined Holly's eyes. And then just using my bullet brush, I'm just going to go over that and blend it upwards. By taking this up with your natural eye shape, it automatically gives you a lift. So open your eyes for me. So as you can see, I've already given Holly a lift just in the corner there. I'm going to use a lighter color pencil for the inner rims of Holly's eyes. Now, it's really important to make sure that you have a light pink color, which is the same color as the inner rims. Some people put white and that can be too harsh. So just be careful when you're choosing one. Looking up for me and just lifting that skin down and getting in the inner rim. Now this is an amazing product if you're feeling a little tired. It will actually make you look like you've had 8 hours sleep. So make sure you're using that in the mornings. Okay, so we're just going to apply some mascara to finish off our day eye look. And closing your eyes for me. It's really important when you're applying mascara, if you're doing it on yourself, to always get right down to the roots. And you can achieve this by getting right in there and moving it around, like you can see what I'm doing. Just getting right in there and then bringing it up. A lot of people miss the roots and just get the tips. So you want to make sure you're in there. And to me, the right application for mascara is if you've needed to use cotton buds afterwards. If you don't use cotton buds, then it means that you haven't applied it the right way. Open your eyes for me. Great. And then I always just use a little cotton bud to get rid of any extra bits there. As you can see, it's already making such a difference. So I do love to put mascara on the bottom lashes, but I also don't like it to look cloggy. So I like to just wipe it off with the cotton bud and just lightly, as you can see, just do that so it looks more natural. There we go. And this is the final look of the day eyeshadow.